Our military heroes hold a special place in our hearts here on Sonoran Living, especially those who've lost their lives defending our country. And there's one Valley Flight School giving their respect to the fallen with a tribute in the sky. This is James Monzo. He's a team manager and flight instructor here at California Aeronautical University. So great to see you. Tell us about this special military tribute aircraft.
So CAU is the proud owner of a Beechcraft Baron B-55. It's a twin-engine aircraft, a multi-engine aircraft that's IFR rated, and we use it for a lot of different things. It's got a beautiful patriotic paint job on it with a big, beautiful flag on the tail. But what makes this aircraft really special is that it is covered with over 7,500 names of the military personnel who have given the ultimate sacrifice since 9/11.
Yes, this red, white, and blue aircraft, it is special and something we should really have a chance to see. So when does this aircraft take flight and where can we see it?
So this aircraft has been touring the Western United States for a while now. You can see it at many of the different air shows that are happening throughout the US. You can see it at different aviation events, museum showings, military events. So we keep it going around as much as we can because it's something that I think really touches a lot of people in a special way.
I can imagine it's very emotional when people walk up and see all the names etched into the side. It's beautiful.
It is definitely something to see, being able to walk up to that airplane and just see that, you know, it's not just a design on the airplane, it is a lot of names covering the outside of it. So people come up and they look through our book and they find out where their name of somebody that they may have known is on that aircraft.
Yeah, and you said even as some of the students who attend CAU find it very emotional as well.
Yes, some of our students and flight instructors who have served in the military have been able to go through that aircraft and find members of their unit that have paid that ultimate sacrifice as well. I
want to talk about your flight experience here at CAU and tell us about how you earned your wings.
Well, I earned my wings originally in California. Actually on my own in helicopters to start out, and then I moved on to fixed wing after that. Struggled a little bit to pay my way through training, but I found CAU through an air show in San Diego, and it's been just smooth flying since then.
Yes, and over 400 hours now past
400 hours past what I need to go to the airline, so I'm at about 1,400 hours. And thankfully, I have been ready to go for a little bit now because of the restricted ATP that I was able to get through CAU.
Fantastic, and I'm so glad you touched on just needing a little financial support because CAU does have a very proud scholarship program for graduating seniors.
We do have a great opportunity for graduating seniors. It's a $10,000 scholarship, which really helps. And we are offering that now through our admissions office.
Yeah, that's fantastic. And for those who are watching, you're going to be a full-fledged bachelor degree pilot when this is all over with.
It's a 3-year program, and you get 6 different ratings and a 3-year, bachelor degree. So it's a fast program. You get in, out, and start working. So
absolutely. And this military aircraft that you see, a lot of the students, you said, prefer training in that over some of the other aircraft.
As they get to their last rating, the last rating is the multi-engine rating. And they love to get into the tribute aircraft to really show that off. They get to travel a lot, over 25 hours that they get to get in these multi-engine aircraft, and they definitely appreciate it when they get to fly our tribute.
Absolutely. Well, James, thank you so much. If you would like to learn more about California Aeronautical University in Mesa, visit calaero.edu/Sonoran or call 480-681-6193.